Everyone, welcome, guys. Welcome. Hope everyone had a great trading day today. Welcome, guys. Welcome. Welcome. Now we're gonna go over the markets. We had a great move in the yen pairs today. Great trading day in the yen pairs. We'll go over those. All right. Welcome, guys. As you get into the chat, go ahead and put your name. All right. So as you get in, go ahead and put your name in the chat for me, please. All right. So welcome, guys. Welcome. Welcome. Great trading day today in the yen pairs. All right. So we'll take a look at those current positions in Monster Scalper, those yen trades. Now, those were shorts. All right. But right now, let's go over the market. Let's see what the market did today. All right. So the Dow was up. All right. Actually retraced. All right. It was up. I think the Dow at the most was up over 400 points up for the day, which was a big day up. And but closed at 99 points up, so retraced a bit. All right, from its high. All right, the Nasdaq was up. Nasdaq finished really good, 2.64% up on the Nasdaq. All right, that's a big day for the Nasdaq. Let's see here. S&P was up 1.58%. That's a big up day. All right, for the S&P. And the Russell was also up. All right, 0.74%. All right, so across the board, the indexes were up. All right, so that's really good news for the indexes. Okay, so we'll go through those. Right now, we do have buy signals still holding on the Dow. All right, so buy signal here. And all right, here was our buy signal, and it's holding. We need to break through near-term resistance right here on the Dow, but it's holding firm. All right, on the Russell, guys, we broke through that resistance on the Russell, but then it pulled back a bit. All right. All right, come on. All right, right here. All right, so Russell broke through resistance, if you guys look here. All right, so broke through that resistance. I know it's hard to see here. All right, big candle here, but pull back. All right, but still holding its buy signal on the Russell. And on the S&P, we got a green candle today. All right. Now, you guys know we have sell signals in place. Okay, sell signals in place on the S&P. All right, so here was our sell signal, but got some good news today. All right, we have a green candle. All right, so buyers came in today. We gapped up, and we have a green candle here. That's a very bullish sign, guys. Okay, so we've gotten above previous support, becomes resistance. All right, and we're now trading above this resistance here. Here we are right here, this candle. And now we look, the goal is to now test. All right, test through that resistance. If we break through resistance here, guys, we could get a buy signal, okay? All right, but really good bullish price action. All right, in equities today, okay? On the NASDAQ, we also got a bounce. All right. So we got a bullish bounce here on the NASDAQ, right here. All right, white candle here. All right, now we don't have a green candle. We have a white candle. We'll need to get past resistance right here. Short-term resistance right about here. Now, we always talk about this. Whenever we get, hey, Tamara, welcome. Whenever we get red candles, guys, like here, especially when we get a pullback to the trend line, and then we get a white candle here, all right, or even a green candle, that's very, very bullish. All right, so we've got a white candle here. If it, again, breaks through that resistance, now again, the buy signal will come in somewhere up in here. So we do need buyers, like just like here. Notice, right? So it doesn't come right away, right? So after that white candle, the buy signal came in, was at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, almost what, 2 weeks. All right, 2 business weeks. Okay, all right, so 10 days of trading, 2 weeks of trading before you get that buy signal. Okay, in this case here. All right, here it was about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 days. Okay, so it doesn't come immediately because we need buyers to come on in, and all right, but that's a change in direction there. Okay, so that's good for the NASDAQ. No, that doesn't mean it can't change. Okay, we know that. All right, things will change in these markets. All right, so, but that's encouraging. White candle came in today on the NASDAQ, and that's a big update on the NASDAQ right here. And then on the S&P, we got a green candle. Okay, all right. All right, again, Dow is holding firm. Russell is holding firm. Hey, Isaac, welcome, Isaac, welcome. All right, and the VIX, guys, is holding at 16. Let's take a quick look at the sectors here. Okay, sectors, top sector is telecom. Look at telecom. All right, big move in telecom, keeps moving higher. That is the #1 sector at 42. Home builders, second sector here. Look at that, right? Good price action here. All right. All right. Let's see here. Real estate. Okay. Financials, right? We have some financial stocks that's holding. Technology should be down, but again, all right. Isaac, this is beginning traders. Certainly, beginning traders can certainly sit in. This is anywhere from beginning to advanced. Okay, we do have some beginning classes, but beginning traders can certainly get value from this information. Okay, so welcome, welcome. Same here. Hey, Anthony, welcome. All right, same here, guys. Tech. If we can get a white candle, all right, or green candle, start moving higher. All right. And Isaac, we do also do one-on-one coaching. So I do one-on-one coaching too. See if you need me one-on-one. Okay. All right. But you can learn a lot from these classes here. Okay. All right. Healthcare. Let's see here. Healthcare. All right. That's holding. But those are the top sectors right there. Okay. Biotech is holding also. All right. I want to show you guys. Now I sent out a video on AMD and NVIDIA. We got some good news on NVIDIA today. I want to show you guys what's setting up. Okay. All right. So NVIDIA gave a white candle today. This is very bullish, guys. Okay. So a big white candle came in today. NVIDIA got a nice bounce. All right. We'll see what happens tomorrow. Okay. Here is our resistance right here. All right, previous support becomes resistance, and then here we are today. This is the price action. Look how it turned, guys, in one day. All right, we were all the way down here, red candle, flipped, and look at that. All right, buyers came in. NVIDIA closed yesterday at 103. 103, guys, and now it's trading at 117. And this is why we need to be flexible, okay, in our thinking and in our trading, because things will turn. If you shorted this, guess what? All of a sudden, you're getting squeezed. Tomorrow, guess what? We have another update. All of a sudden, we've got a green candle, and now we're testing resistance here. Okay, so that's why, remember, the overall trend is up. Okay, the overall trend is up. If we can get past, right here, get some green candles, buyers to come in, kind of like it did here, right? Get past, all right, this area here, moving average, right? So recapture that moving average. Somewhere in here, we'll get a buy signal. And that's about right around 130 or so, we could get a buy signal. Okay, so that's big news. That happened today. Let's see here. Nothing on Bitcoin. Let's go through current positions. We had a great day shorting. Okay, let's see if those short positions are closed. Okay, so short positions in Monster Scalper on the 60-minute time frame. Let's go through those, okay? And then we'll look at longs. But let's look at the shorts first. All right. Those shorts were up over a little over 100% on several of them. Let's see if how they held, okay? The first one, Oz, well, let's do the yen pairs first. So TRY, JPY. Sell short signal is here, guys. It's still holding its short trade. This is on the 60-minute time frame. All right, so good trade going here. All right, good short. TRY, JPY. Okay, let's move this support line right here. Okay, all right. ZAR yen, ZAR, JPY. Sell short signal is here. It's holding. Keep an eye on this one. Okay, do we have data coming out? Let's see. Let's see if we have data coming out. All right, so we've Wednesday, Thursday, so overnight we've got, let's see here, in the pound, so Great Britain, we've got data coming out at 7 a.m. All right, so 7 a.m. And then we've got data coming out in the New York session. So in Euro session, we've got some data coming, but that's late. That's later, guys. So 2, 3, 4 a.m., 5 a.m., nothing, not until 7 a.m. All right, so we should be all clear until then. And then in the New York session, we've got data coming out, unemployment claims at 8:30, and then ISM numbers at 10 a.m. All right, so but nothing with the yen pair. So hopefully we get a break lower. ZAR JPY, SGD JPY. All right, sell short signal here that's holding. We don't have any new support and resistance lines. That's good. All right, so we'll look for that to move lower. SGD JPY. EUR JPY, sell short signal is here, and we have support here. Keep an eye on this one. Here we have yellow support and resistance, okay? So we're getting higher highs, higher lows within the markdown phase, okay? But it's holding firm so far. Keep an eye on it. Pound yen, sell short signal is here, all right? And looks good. We have purple support and resistance down here. That's what we need. So we need price to retest. Just remember, this time of the trading day, guys, the Asian markets will open up shortly. All right. Don't expect a lot of, well, you never know. We had a big move around, I think the move started around 9:30, 10 p.m. Okay, so we could see another move over later tonight and into the Euro session. Okay, so but that's holding firm. Pound yen. HKD JPY. Hopefully you guys got on these trades. Okay, our monster scalper traders. HKD JPY. Sell short signal is here, holding firm. No support and resistance lines. That's good. All right. Hopefully it keeps moving lower. Dollar yen, sell short signal is here. Holding firm. No support and resistance lines. Okay, so that's good. CAD yen. All right. I'm sorry. Hold on. Swiss yen. Sell short signal is here. Now we do have support lines right here. Yellow support and resistance. Keep an eye on it. Okay. We don't have to close the trade. Just monitor it closely. All right. And now CAD yen. Sell short signal is here. We have purple support and resistance. We love this purple support and resistance in the markdown phase. Okay. All right. Aussie yen. All right, great trading here with Aussie yen. Look at that, guys. Great trading. So short here, buy to cover. So short here, buy to cover. So short here. All right. And purple support and resistance. We need that price to come on down. Okay, good trading here. All right, Aussie yen. New Zealand yen. All right, sell short signal here. And again, great trading. All right, so short here, buy to cover. So short, buy to cover. So short, buy to cover. Great trading here. Okay. All right, purple support and resistance. We need that price to come on down. All right, New Zealand yen. So great shorts. All right, monster scalper on the 60-minute time frame. We do have some longs. Let's take a look at those on the 60-minute time frame. All right, so again, hopefully you guys took advantage of these trades. All right, great move today. And they're still open. Notice we didn't close any. All right, so they're still open, still running. All right, too late to get in though. So if you missed them, all right, it is too late. All right, longs, we have some longs. USD, SGD. All right, buy signal was here. This is done. Buy signal was here on a break of this resistance. Broke support, near-term support right here. We should be out, okay? All right, so we bought here, sold here. Look what happened afterwards, right? So that's why we've got to get out, guys, on these sell signals, on these red candles, because guess what? They could move down really fast, really low, okay? So we should be out. USD, SGD, close the trade, please, okay? USD, MXN, all right, that closed. Not a bad trade here. Let's take a quick look at it. Buy signal was right here. Hold on. All right. Buy signal was right here on a break of resistance right here. Blue arrow right here. Red candle, sell signal. All right. Broke support right here. All right. So we should be out. So we bought here, sold here, closed the trade. So USD, MXN, close the trade. Dollar CAD. So USD CAD. All right, let's take a quick look here. Buy signal was right here, guys. Now this one struggled. We talked about this one, right? Struggle to break through that resistance, broke support. So we out of the trade, okay? All right, always pay attention because you'll need to get out quickly, especially on the 60-minute time frame if things change. So we bought here, sold here. All right. All right. We should be out. Look what happened after we got out. Okay. All right. So remember, always get out on your signals. All right. So no longs. Those are all of the longs we've had. All right. We might take a look. You notice how a few months ago, guys, we were getting all longs, no shorts. Now we're getting shorts and very few longs right now, okay? That's the market. Things change. We trade what the market gives us, not what we want, okay? All right. Okay, long positions in Monster Scalper on the 240-minute time frame, okay? On the 240-minute time frame. So the 4-hour chart, okay? All right. Dollar CAD, we should be out. All right. USD, CZK. All right. It's holding right here. All right. If you're in this trade, buy signal here, really pay attention, guys. This is where sellers came in before. Okay. We'll count this. Sellers came in here, here, definitely here. See that right here? Also here, and then here we are here. Now that buy signal is here. So we know we have a lot of sellers holding right here. Okay, so we need to break through that resistance, get past sellers. So if you're in this, really keep an eye on it. Okay, if you get one big candle here, all of a sudden, right, that might get you out of the trade. All right, we'll hold it for now, but just know the goal here is to get a breakout. Okay, sometimes, a lot of times, if we wait for that breakout, guys, if we don't get in on that buy signal here, and we just want more and more confirmation, and we're looking for that breakout, sometimes that breakout will come out. You guys will see this, where like right here, you'll get a big candle, and then it's too late. You can't, we don't want to chase them. So sometimes you have to take the risk and just wait, and hopefully breaks out. Breaks resistance. Okay, so USD CZK, we'll hold it for now. USD MXN, good trade going here. Buy signal all the way down here after a good markdown phase. Markdown phase, accumulation, buy signal, but we are sitting right here at resistance. And just remember, sellers are here and a bit here, but here we are. So we need, price is holding firm and it's in decent profit. Okay, so you've got some cushion there. So we just need that price to continue to move higher. Any type of selling that comes in here, close the trade. USD MXN. All right, USD DKK is holding right here also. That's a purpose support and resistance. Just be careful. We need to break through that, continue to move higher here. Okay, now these dollar pairs, these are not your best trades. Okay, definitely not your best trades. This yen pair short, that's the best trade. Okay, all right. Short positions on the 240. All right, on the 240. Now we looked at the 60-minute time frame. Now we are on the 240. Now we did miss several good shorts on the 240 in the yen pairs, but we have a few here. All right, so NZD JPY, guys. All right, did we miss? Yes, we missed. I think, did we miss some of? I don't remember. I think we missed this one here, but a new sell short signal here. Now, the only concern shorting all the way down here, guys, is we're low in the markdown phase, but we did break a big support here. So we broke a big support, hold on, support level here, and we're hoping to get some continuation, okay? All right, but if the equity markets move, we had a big update in equities. If it continues to do that, these shorts might be under some pressure here. So sell short signal here, holding yellow support and resistance. Keep an eye on that. New Zealand yen, Aussie yen, same thing. Good short here. All right, sell short signal here. And let's bring this down here. All right, Swiss yen. All right, Swiss yen, this is the one that we were in before. So sell short signal here. All right, we talked about this one, guys. So it got past the first target here. And guess what? It broke through that second target. So we can remove these targets now. And all red candle, purple support and resistance. That's really good. And we have a final target all the way down here. All right. Sell short signal is here. Good trading here. Okay. A bit choppy in here, but hey, it keeps moving lower. That's all that matters right now. Pound yen was another one. All right. That we got. Sell short signal here. I think we got most of this. Another sell short signal right here. and it has reached its target all the way down here. Yellow support and resistance. So if anyone is in this, all right, really keep an eye on it. You might want to, if it gives you a white candle or it looks like it's going to reverse, it does have a yellow support and resistance. Keep an eye on it, okay? But hopefully it breaks through that support, okay? We'll leave it for now. Aussie, New Zealand, all right, sell short signal is here, and that's holding here so far, okay? All right, not bad trading. So we've got trades, guys. We've got trades. Nice volatility in Forex. Okay, so if you guys look here, all right, really good volatility. Okay, Anthony's on here. Anthony, when's the last time we had volatility like this? All right, so we got good volatility on the daily, under 240, and this volatility is holding. All right, it's been holding for a while now, even on this 60-minute. Okay, and we've got fairly good direction. All right, lots of selling in here. Aussie, Kiwi, and the yen pairs. Okay, so all that is good news. All right, our Forex dominator, long positions, and then we'll take a look at the short positions. Okay. Now we trade these on the daily time frame. So EURNOK. All right. Still holding its buy signal here. We talked about this trade. These are range bound trades, and we're looking to break out of the range. Okay. So EURNOK, that's holding. EURSEK, buy signal is here. Where's our resistance? Up here. Let's move that resistance right here, since it's right, it's pulling back right here. These trades here a bit difficult, right? They're not as easy. We're looking for a breakout, and they've struggled, all right, for, gosh, almost, if you guys look here, all right, EuroCAD has struggled for a year. This is July right here, July of last year, and here we are this year, 2024, and for a whole year, look at this, for a whole year, all right, hasn't done anything, consolidated here. Okay, so we're hoping for a breakout, but we're not expecting a lot from these euro trades. Okay, same thing here. A year, July last year, currently here, July, look at that, stuck in this range. So if you're trading this and you're not aware what's going on, guys, you wonder why it's not working out, it's because of this. Okay, now you can move it to a smaller time frame. Might have been able to get some shorts here. All right, these longs don't look very good, but what we're looking for is hopefully to break out of this area here. If it fails, we'll just give up on it for now. Aussie, Euro, Aussie. All right, we're trying to get to that range, out to that resistance, and then break out. Okay, so we're just hoping, right? We don't have a lot of confidence, right, with the euro and pound pairs. Look at this. All right, just a lot of consolidation. Look at that here. Okay, no trends. Pound Aussie. Now pound Aussie look a little better. Okay, at least we have somewhat of a trend line. Buy signal here, and that's holding. Okay, USD NOK. All right, same thing here. We're looking to break out. And then dollar CAD, buy signal here, looking to break out of that area. Okay, big resistance here. Okay, this resistance goes back all the way back to last year. Look at that. Okay, that's like a ceiling. All right, really tough. All right, and every time it gets here to that price right here, sellers come in heavy, heavy, heavy. The good news is you're getting tight consolidation. Hopefully we break out. Okay, very tough trading here, but don't expect a lot from these. I think that was the last one. Yes. Okay. No, we have some shorts in Forex dominator. With those types of trades we just went through, you just testing, okay? So you testing, put, small amount of capital, and, if it breaks out, then you perhaps add to the position. So Forex dominator short positions. All right, TRY. All right, TRY, good trading here, guys, on the daily time frame. Good short here, good short here. All right, kind of broke even on this short. And then right here, look at that, sell short signal here. Good price action, keeps moving lower. That's what we want to see there, all right? TRY, JPY. Euro, EUR, JPY, sell short signal came in right here, moving down nicely. Our target is here. It's moving down so well, we're going to move that target right, give it some more room right here. All right, good price action, sell short signal here. This is what we want to see. From that sell short signal to here, guys, that's about, what's that? 500 pips. That's about 500%. All right, great trade going here. And it has a lot more room to go. Okay. EUR, JPY, SGD, JPY, and no support and resistance. Same thing here. Sell short signal is here, moving down nicely. For right now, we're going to bring that support right about here. Okay. So far, these are like a falling knife. Look at that. So give it room. SGD, JPY, pound yen. Pound yen. Look at pound yen. All right. And let's bring in our support, our target. You can use your support. And just if it gets down to this area, just be aware this is where buyers are sitting, okay? All right, so pound yen, good trading there, okay? HKD, JPY, sell short signal is here. Good trading here. Moving down nicely, we're going to move that, give it some room, support the target here. If it gets in that in this area and settle in that area, we might move it back up, okay? All right, USD, JPY, same thing here, okay? And you guys, I'm lazy with these, but you guys should always bring in your lines, okay? Especially when you're new to this, okay? Bring in your trend lines. This will help you keep your emotions in check, okay? And then we'll bring that target all the way down here. So we have support here, right here we have support, but then we have further support here. And again, based on how these trades are doing, okay, let's give them some room here. Okay, so markup phase, markdown phase. All right. CAD yen, all right, looks really good. Sell short signal is here, broke through that support, and now it's heading towards support down here. We're gonna move this one also, okay, here. All right. So we can certainly move these targets as these trades develop, okay? But we have to, don't just randomly move your targets. You got to find where that support level is, where buyers could, stop the price. This is your floor, so buyers are sitting here. All right, buyers are sitting here and also here, okay? If it breaks through support here, then that would be a beautiful thing, right? Then next support level would be down in here, okay? All right, but good trade going here. That's a falling knife. Aussie yen, look at Aussie yen. Sell short signal is here. Look at that. Remember, guys, it takes all of this time it takes. Isn't that interesting how, right? I say it's an escalator up, elevator down. Escalator up, elevator down. We'll take a lot of time to go up into that markup phase, but boy, can suddenly collapse. So when we catch these, they can really fall. Okay, so sell short signal is here. Here we are right now. We're going to give it some space here. So, All right, we have support. We have a lot of support. This is where your floor is right here. So let's see if we can get to this area. If it breaks through, then we have a lot more support down here. So let's keep it here for now, okay? All right, Aussie yen, great shorts, huh, guys? These are great shorts. New Zealand yen broke through that support level. That's what we want to see. Sell short signal came in here. Look, all right, quickly that came down, okay? All right, broke through support here. All right, so we definitely can move this one. Second support level, all right, is right about here. If it breaks through that support level here, all right, then next support, a lot of support here. I would say if it, this is good so far. The fact that it's getting past support here, that's good. If it gets past this support here, we could see a big spike all the way down here. And by then, just get out. Close the trade for sure. Okay? All right. But good trading here. New Zealand yen. And then we have New Zealand dollar. Okay? Sell short signal is here. Really keep on this one. We have support right here, guys. And see where it's bouncing up that support. Okay? That's not good. We need it to come on back down and hold somewhere down in here. That's not good. Buyers can come in quickly and all of a sudden, right, you got to force to close it. Okay, so just like here and then just like here. Okay, notice how buyers are coming in right here, came in right here, right here, right here. All right. So, and we have resistance here. So sell short signal is here. Really keep an eye on this one. All right. New Zealand Swiss, okay, sell short signal here came all the way to its target here, okay. No further support on the daily, all right. No need to move it to the weekly, okay. If you get white candles coming in here, you might just want to close. You guys can close it now if you want. If you're trading it, we'll leave it for now though, okay. Aussie CAD. All right, just holding here, not much here. Aussie dollar, they really haven't developed it yet, okay? They're just holding an Aussie Swiss, okay? Aussie Swiss, not bad. We talked about this one. You have support right here, a lot of support. So this one here, and you have yellow support and resistance, if it hopefully gets to this area, really keep an eye on it, okay? All right. But your yen pairs, that's your best trade. We do have a rotation in the yen pairs. So we do have a rotation, short rotation in the yen pairs. Okay. All right. Now you guys know that small caps, so the Russell is holding here. So let's take a quick look at the stock boss trades. Now we've trimmed the fat on these. All right, so let's see how they did today. We'll probably start adding if the market holds up. We've got big data coming out. All right, tomorrow, Thursday, and Friday. I think the Fed spoke today. Didn't change the market too much. All right, we'll see. And we'll look to add, based on how things are doing, we'll look to add stocks next week. Okay. BRKL, resistance is here. Buy signal, good markup phase, markdown phase here. Here's your markup phase. Buy signal here. We're moving up nicely, just no resistance here. Sellers are here, okay? But it's holding firm so far. All right, that looks good. That looks good. Holding. All we want to see right now are these small caps. These are the cheaper stocks, okay? We just want to see them hold. AVXL. So we have resistance right here. The buy signal came in at 470. Here is your markdown phase. Here, mark up, and we have a target of $10. And then if it gets to that area, we'll see how the buyers and sellers react to it. Just know a lot of selling is here, okay? Right here. We count this, okay? Count this, count this, count this. So every time it gets to here, sellers come back in. So here we are. So as it gets to that resistance, pay attention, okay? Close attention to it. Okay, that's holding there. That's holding. All right. Any type of any decent trades, guys, just don't expect a lot is right now from equities. Just don't expect a lot. Market's still tricky. All right, so I wouldn't go heavy right now. Okay, remember we're in the summer months. This is August. No, July. Tomorrow will be August. August and September can be brutal, okay, for equities. So we still have to be cautious. EOSE, a decent trade going here. Good markdown phase. All right. So buy signal came in at 92 cents, trading at 197. That's not bad. Target is right here, $4. Okay. So if it makes it to that resistance here, just know sellers are here. Okay. Could be a decent trade there. Okay. Oh, hold on. All right. So that's Stock Boss. Nothing in Bullmaster. We've trimmed Bullmaster. Okay. Bullmaster Pro, we've trimmed it also, but we've got a few here. Let's see. APO. All right. APO got a nice bid. All right. Looking to break resistance here. AX. Let's see AX. Oh, AX was doing so good. Gap down today. Closed at 73. No, these are good. These stocks with Bullmaster Pro have good fundamentals. Okay. So the good news here, we don't have resistance, support and resistance lines, but that gap down, that might be a concern. Okay. Coke. All right, Coke is holding, breaking resistance here, buy signal here. Good trade going. Goldman Sachs, this is Joe's trade here. And it is breaking resistance. Now, financials been doing well. Okay, breaking resistance. All right, HWKN holding. PIPR, let's see how it did today. Okay, it's holding right here. Okay, let's bring in a trend line. All right, right here. All right, we're almost done. Monster Scalper, we're not adding any positions right now. The short positions are still holding. The short yen positions are still holding. Okay, so we're not adding any positions right now. Let's see here. Okay. So Stock Boss, we just want to run it to see what Heat Seeker did today, okay? So 104, that's a lot, okay? So 104 in Stock Boss, that's a lot. Let's see what they're buying. Let's see what the institutions are buying. So healthcare, only 4 financials. Okay, so healthcare. Look at that. All right, so we'll have to take a look at healthcare this evening. Bullmaster, let's see here. How many? 245. Oh my gosh. 245, that's a lot. Let's see what they're buying. So some basic materials. Capital goods. We haven't seen that in a while. Financials. So these are large caps, okay, guys? These are more your expensive stocks. And then healthcare, healthcare, healthcare. Oof. 245 in Bullmaster, and let's run this again. 104 in Stock Boss. We'll go through. We've got time. Let's just go through these. We won't go through all of them. We'll focus on healthcare. Just find some picks. All right, AQ, all right, AQST, all right, in Stock Boss. Okay, so we have a buy signal here. Hopefully you guys can see this. Yeah, you can see this. Buy signal here, good markdown phase. We have buyers on the weekly, so we're trading on the daily. Buyers on the weekly, green candles here, and we have buyers on the monthly too, okay? Good buy signal. That buy signal came in at $3.29. All right, close today at $3.84. All right, so a decent trade there. And again, these are small caps, and the Russell is holding. Okay. All right. That's gone there. We'll get a few for you guys. Remember, these are healthcare stocks. Some of these will be biotech. All right, HUMA. That's in Stock Boss. All right, buy signal right here, guys. Buy signal, that is high for Stock Boss, 946. Buy signal right here. That's reaccumulation. The first trade came in at about $4. Okay, so it is reaccumulation. Big, nice candle though came in right here. Buy signal. On the weekly, we got buyers. Lots of buyers on the weekly, buyers on the monthly. So the overall trend is up. Okay. All right. HUMA. All right. And that's healthcare. Okay. I think that's gone. Yeah. Good setup here though, guys. Buyers on the weekly, buyers on the monthly. Buy signal here came in at 671. Decent markdown phase. Previous trade did really well, but it's gone. It's at 846. Too late for that one there. That's gone. All right. M, we're not in this one. MNMD. And still with these, we have to be cautious because things can roll over. Okay, so just keep that in mind. All right, buy signal right here, guys. Buy signal right here. Here's our pullback here. We're breaking resistance. Hold on. Right here. buy signal. Buyers are on the weekly. Now, we don't have a lot of buying here on the monthly, but we do have a white candle here. So we'll take that. Okay. All right. But good buying on. So MN, MD. Let's get a few more. All right, that's it for healthcare. All right. Tomorrow, if I remember, guys, we'll take a look at Bullmaster. Tomorrow, 245. Did I say that's a lot? I want to take a quick look at the healthcare sector. So healthcare, let's go back. Okay, so healthcare is holding, buy signal here, and it's holding. All right. All right, that's good. So these healthcare stocks, remember, right? We want the index first. So we know biotech. I'm sorry, we know small caps. Okay, small caps is part of the Russell, and we have a buy signal on the Russell with good price action. All right, so we have the index, the right index. And then we have the sector, the healthcare sector. We see all those healthcare stocks coming in through heat seeker. Okay, and here's the sector for healthcare. Okay, and that's moving up nicely also. Okay, so, and then biotech, some of these are biotech. Let's see what biotech. Okay, biotech is holding here. Okay, so not bad. Tomorrow, if we remember, depending on how things are going, we'll. The concern with Bullmaster is that Bullmaster, these large caps, Bullmaster is really large cap stocks, okay, and they don't have any fundamentals. Now with Bullmaster Pro, we do fundamentals, okay, but with Bullmaster we just follow price. And so we have a lot of stocks coming in, but the problem is these stocks will follow, the large cap follows the S&P and the NASDAQ, okay? And right now with the NASDAQ, we don't have a buy signal on the NASDAQ, okay? All right, and then on the S&P, although they're trying to recover, right? We don't have a buy signal on the S&P. I mean, this could turn around right here, okay? So that's the hesitation. We're seeing the institutions are definitely coming in, all right? But they can get out quickly too, okay? So that's the hesitation with Bullmaster. Okay, the good news with the small caps is that, right, the Russell right here has a buy signal and it's holding. Okay, all right, guys. So those of you who took advantage of the yen pair short, good job. All right, good job. Our stock boss traders, right? We have three trades, but be careful with equities. Okay, you can still trade them, but just be careful. But the best trade right now are the yen pair short. Okay, all right, guys. I will see everyone tomorrow. All right, take care. Have a good evening. Thanks for